let me ask you a question. Do you like delicious, crispy chicken wings? The kind of crunchy wings that have a big old punch of tasty? Or how about really flavorful pork tenderloin? The kind that has been seasoned to perfection and is so tender you can slice it with a fork. Or maybe you really prefer juicy roasted chicken with crunchy and savory skin, the kind that will make the entire house smell good as it bakes. If so, you're in the right place because all of these dishes begin with one thing, and that's great seasoning, which is why we created JoJo Rub for chicken and pork. This seasoning started with a dream to make tasty, crunchy chicken wings without using a fryer. In order to do that, we needed a dry rub that would help draw out the moisture from the wings as they cook. As a matter of fact, our chicken wing videos are some of our most popular videos on YouTube. Check them out. But in addition to making a tasty rub, we also wanted a simple seasoning that everyone could make using spices found at any dollar store. Our solution for this is JoJo Rub. The interns, aka my kids, came up with the name. I hope you like it. And no, it's not available for purchase in any store because we're giving it away for free right here in this video. You cannot order it online, and no, we will not send it to you. If you want to buy pre-made seasoning, the store shelves are filled with marinades, sauces, and seasonings of every kind. As I mentioned, this is a really simple way to make a great seasoning. We're using 1 tablespoon of paprika, a half a tablespoon of ground black pepper, 1.5 tablespoons of seasoned salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and a half a tablespoon of dry mustard powder. Now all we have to do is mix it up. And you can really get creative here and use variations that you like. For example, if you're looking to add a little bit more zing with your wing, you can substitute a half a tablespoon of black pepper for a full tablespoon, or even better, substitute the pepper with cayenne or chipotle to really turn up the heat. If you've used JoJo Rub at home, we would love to hear from you in the comments below. If you love it or just like it. At Red Meat Lover, our motto is cooking meat made easy. And that's just what we strive to show you in every single video. Although we did not actually cook any meat in this video, we did show you how to make a simple seasoning that is an easy way to turn up the flavor on your next meal. Please give us a thumbs up like if you enjoyed the video, or even better, subscribe to our channel for future updates. Your subscription goes a long way to supporting our channel, and we'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.